Question 20. The centre of a circle is the point with coordinates -1, 3. The point A with coordinates 6, 8 lies on the circle. Find an equation of the tangent to the circle at A. Give your answer in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are integers. So I'd like to start a question like this with a bit of a sketch. So if I've got my circle that has centre -1, 3, I know the coordinate 6, 8 is to the right and up above it, so I can label a point here as A, as 6, 8, and now I can draw a radius on my circle. So from the centre to this point A here, I've got the radius of my circle, and then this is where my tangent line will be. And the thing I know about the tangent and the radius is that they meet at 90 degrees. And so just having an idea of what this question is asking for visually might help when it comes to finding these equations. And so I know that if I want the gradient of this line here, I can first find the gradient of the radius, because the two multiplied together will equal -1. It will be the negative reciprocal. And so the gradient of my radius is the change in y divided by change in x between these two coordinates. So that gradient would be 8 take away 3 divided by 6 minus -1. That gives me the gradient of my radius here to be 5/7. And so given that this gradient is 5/7, the gradient of this line is the negative reciprocal. And so the gradient of my tangent is -7/5. I can now consider my y equals mx plus c equation of a straight line, which is what I want to form for this line here. Because I know it goes through the point 6, 8, and that it has a gradient -7/5, I can substitute those values in. So 8 is equal to -7/5 times 6 plus c. Adding 7/5 times 6 to the 8 on the left-hand side there gives me a c value of 82/5. I can now write my y equals mx plus c as y is equal to -7/5 x plus 82/5. We can see here, if I multiply everything by 5, then I've got 5y is equal to -7x plus 82. And so to get it in the form ax plus by plus c, let's add the 7x to both sides and subtract 82 to give me 7x plus 5y minus 82 is equal to 0.